Tecno Spark 50 5G versus Tecno Spark 50 4G versus Tecno Spark 50 Pro 4G. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro takes the lead here, coming in noticeably slimmer at just 7.8mm. For a lighter in-hand feel, the Spark 50 Pro wins again, weighing only 207 grams. It's a perfect tie across the board, as all three smartphones feature an IPS LCD display panel. None of these devices offer HDR10 support, resulting in an equal status for all three options. Aspect fluid scrolling on all three, with each phone supporting a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Tecno Spark 50 4G clearly shines the brightest here, delivering an impressive 800 nits. The Spark 50 4G and Pro version match each other perfectly with a sharper 259 ppi density. The Spark 50 5G wins this round, offering a more immersive display with an 84.2% ratio. The Spark 50 4G and Pro model stand equal, both featuring a clear 720 by 1600 pixels setup. All three devices are completely equal in size, featuring a spacious 6.78-inch screen. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro wins comfortably, equipped with durable Gorilla Glass 7i protection. For processing speed, the Spark 50 5G leads the pack with its powerful 2.5 GHz Cortex i76. The Spark 50 5G takes another win, powered by a more capable Dimensity 6400 processor. Graphic performance is entirely equal, with all three variants utilizing the Mali G57 MC2. The smartphone on the left delivers much more aggressive performance, making it the better choice for high-end gaming. Software longevity is fully as well, as all three phones run on Android 16 with iOS 16. The Tecno Spark 50 4G stands out for longevity, packing a massive 7000 mAh battery capacity. The Spark 50 Pro charges the fastest, supporting an impressive 60-watt charging speed. Storage expansion is equal on all three models, with each device supporting an external memory slot. Data transfer speeds are completely equal, as all three devices utilize 2.2 storage technology. Multitasking capabilities are perfectly balanced, with all three variants carrying 8GB of RAM. Storage space is also equal across the line, providing a generous 256GB of internal memory. The Spark 50 Pro secures another victory here with a slightly wider 50 mPf 1.8 wide lens. Video capture capabilities are completely equal, with all models filming at 2K at 30 fps. Front camera performance is equal, as all three phones carry an 8MP f2.0 selfie lens. Selfie videography remains equal, with its phone recording front videos at FHD at 30 fps. The Spark 50 Pro offers superior environmental protection, boasting an advanced IP69 and rating. The Spark 50 5G and 4G models stay for the win, both retaining the convenient yes 3.5mm jack. Connectivity standards are entirely equal, with all three models featuring a standard Type-C 2.0 port. The 4G and Pro versions stand equal, both offering an immersive stereo speaker setup. The Tecno Spark 50 Pro wins this round by offering a newer and more efficient 5.4 version. The Spark 50 4G and Pro options share a tie, both including full yes support for NFC. Biometric security is perfectly equal, with all three models utilizing a quick side sensor. Cellular connectivity is equal across all models, each offering a standard 2 SIM card tray. The Spark 50 5G wins for cellular connectivity, providing much faster 5G network support. If you want to save a significant amount of money, the middle device stands out as the most budget-friendly choice. With a final score of 26 points, the Tecno Spark 50 Pro emerges as the definitive winner of this comparison. Buy the Spark 50 Pro for maximum features, or choose the 4G model to get the ultimate battery life.